If you're someone who enjoys cooking and spending time in the kitchen, then you understand how important it is to have a reliable kitchen sink. You want resilience plus quality construction that can withstand daily wear and tear. Swissmadison has revolutionized the kitchen space with its line of innovative stainless steel sinks that are made to last. Swissmadison sinks not only look luxurious, but are designed to put convenience at your fingertips so that you can enjoy every moment spent in the kitchen. Check out some of our favorites below for an idea on how these high-end products can redefine your culinary space. When it comes to designing your dream kitchen, the sink is one of the most important components. Luckily, Swissmadison has a diverse range of sink sizes and styles that cater to every kitchen layout and personal preference. From single bowl to double bowl, farmhouse to undermount sinks, they have a sink for every need. Whether you prefer the sleekness of an undermount sink or the rustic charm of a farmhouse sink, Swissmadison has got you covered. With their commitment to quality and design, you can be sure that whichever sink you choose will elevate the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Swissmadison is a prestigious brand that is at the forefront of innovation and quality in kitchen sink design. The company has built a reputation for expertise and long-term commitment to its customers, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards across the industry. Swissmadison has remained committed to excellence, providing unparalleled quality and luxurious finishes in every sink model. Their focus on creating seamlessly crafted kitchen sink designs reflects their meticulous attention to detail and expertise in the kitchen sink industry. With Swissmadison, customers are guaranteed to receive the best sinks built with precision and excellence. Swissmadison sinks are known for their quality and durability, and part of the reason for this is the use of premium materials such as stainless steel and ceramic. These materials not only give the sinks a sleek and modern look, but they also contribute to their longevity. Stainless steel is known for its resistance to rust and corrosion, making it an ideal choice for a sink that will be subjected to daily use. Ceramic, on the other hand, is extremely durable and can withstand high temperatures, which makes it perfect for a kitchen sink. Additionally, both materials are easy to clean and maintain, which means your Swissmadison sink will look as good as new for years to come. Overall, the use of premium materials is a key factor in the lasting quality of Swissmadison sinks, making them a great investment for any homeowner. Swissmadison kitchen sinks are the perfect combination of style and functionality. In addition to their sleek and modern design, these sinks come with a variety of accessories that make food preparation and cleanup easier than ever before. Integrated cutting boards provide a convenient surface for slicing and chopping, while drying racks and colanders allow for efficient dishwashing. These accessories not only save time, but also add an extra touch of convenience to your kitchen. With a Swissmadison sink, you can create an organized and efficient workspace that will make cooking and cleaning a breeze. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Swissmadison kitchen sinks. From their exquisite craftsmanship to their practical design, Swissmadison sinks bring both functionality and aesthetic charm to your kitchen space. If you would like to learn more about kitchen sinks, please check the links below.